Shop Talk. We're looking at that very popular 372 XP chainsaw, 72 cc's. This one features a new Husqvarna bar, 28 inch, with a new 3/8 full comp chisel chain, .050 gauge. Very nice combination for this saw. Take a close-up look at some of the features it has. Kill switch is on the left, choke is on the right. Has an operator presence lever. It won't throttle up unless your hand's in place. You gotta have this lever down. Great safety feature. Has a hand protector here and functions as a foot pad when starting this high compression motor. Have your foot in the pad on the ground. Good grip on that handlebar and start this high compression engine. It does feature a decompression valve, which makes it easier to start. There's a valve right here. That blue valve. Working chain brake. 2 falling spikes, very nice feature. To adjust the tension on the bar, loosen the 2 bar nuts up, and right on the side, right here is your tensioner. It's a very popular, very powerful chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it now.